Welcome to the Vocab School by Manu and Tinku. Our aim is to enhance your English vocabulary by introducing one new word daily. Let's see what word we are learning today. Word of the day is propitious. In this video we will learn its origin, form, literal meaning and practical usage. So viewers, let the learning begins. Let us discuss the origin of propitious to give our viewers a little background knowledge of the word. The word propitious comes from the Latin word propitius, which means favorable or kind. It has been used in English since the late century. In Middle English, the term propitious was used to convey the idea of being favorable or showing graciousness, often in the context of divine favor or blessings. Moving on. The word propitious is an adjective. It means giving or indicating a good chance of success. Or we can say favorable. Like we say, the timing for such a meeting seemed propitious. For your knowledge, an adjective is a word naming an attribute of a noun. So we learned the origin and form of propitious. Propitious literally means showing or indicating favor, kindness or favorable conditions. It is used to describe situations or circumstances that are likely to lead to success, favorable outcomes or positive development. Do leave a comment if you know more about propitious. Now it is time to understand the similar and opposite words for propitious. These are important words, because not only they help us understand the word we learn but add more valuable words into our vocabulary. Here are some similar words for propitious. Auspicious, favorable, advantageous, promising and fortunate. Some opposite words like unfavorable, inauspicious, adverse, unlucky and unpropitious. Learn these important words and do leave a comment if you know more words. Now it is time to use the word propitious in sentences to understand the practical usage of the word. Here are some examples. The timing for such a meeting seemed propitious. Or, there was a brief, perfect Elizabethan moment when conditions were propitious and all was well. Thanks for watching. If you learned the word, please do not forget to like, subscribe to the Vocab School and share the video with friends and family. Happy learning!